when you take a golf lesson and the golf pro tells you to work on your flexibility, to go stretch a little bit more, and all you find is those 30 and 40-year-olds doing golf stretches that in your eyes look like a busted hip or elbow waiting to happen, or even worse, a knee strain on the horizon. That's where us, reliable golfers, resort to the incredible simplicity and effectiveness. And by that I mean the stick stretching routine. After over 2 decades of working with active golfers, over 50, there's one thing out of many that I have learned and really applied to each of my clients' program. And that is simple positioning, breathing, and gradual lengthening when need be without brute force. Give the stick stretch a try. Or if you feel like you're a lost case of flexibility, just type GAP, GAP, below, and perhaps the gap and stretch is your better option.